Smart Culture, Mathematics.
So here we have an example question. Draw the graph of 2x plus 3y is greater than 7. So the first step will be to draw the graph. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So what we do now is we change the greater than sign to an equal sign. So then we use a table of values, or you can also use the slope intercept form to graph this function. So here we have the straight line. Now the next step is to choose a point that is not on the line of 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Now remember, if the line does not go through the origin, then the point 0, 0 is always a good choice. So that is what we'll do in this case. We'll use this point, we'll use the origin. So the x-coordinate is equal to 0 and the y-coordinate is equal to 0 as well. So we'll just sub in these values. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 is greater than 7. 0 is greater than 7. So that means the answer is no. This point at the origin is not in the solution set. Therefore, the half plane containing 0, 0 is not the solution set. Hence, the other half plane determined by the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 is the solution set. And since the line itself is not part of the solution, it is shown as a dashed line, and the half plane is shaded to show the solution set. So ultimately, the solution set is the half plane above and to the right of the line.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.